Just received this fabric shaver by Bymore for a review, and I'm coming on here to unbox it for you and to review it. So we've got a piece of cloth that has a lot of shaving to do because, I don't know, the fabrics are just coming off. So I'm going to test it out on this. Okay, so it comes with a charging cable and I guess some spare blades as well. Also comes with a user manual and a brush for cleaning it. All right, so this is what the device looks like. This is the shaving part. This is where it collects all the fabric, and then this is where you turn it on. So I'm just going to, whoa. I can tell that it already has a lot of power, so we're going to be testing it out. It sounds like it's going really fast, so let's see. All right, so I'm not sure if you can fully tell that, but we've got a lot of loose fabric right here. So we're going to try and fix that. Right. All right, so it collected quite a bit of fabric, and I'm not sure if you can tell, but the material just feels so much softer, looks so much different, and it definitely worked really well. So let's try and take out the fabric from here. Okay, so all you do to take this out is press just a little bit, and it will grab it out. And look at all the fabric it collected, and you can just put this in the trash and then put it right back in to use the next time. So yeah, definitely recommend this. This is a great item and it definitely works really well. So yeah, go get yours.